If you don't like feeling sluggish but still eat fried foods, then it's time to rethink your oil choices. Many of us use seed oils like canola, sunflower, and soybean for cooking every day. But here's the kicker: these oils are packed with omega 6 fatty acids. In small amounts, omegas are good, but too much omega 6 can lead to inflammation, heart disease, and even weight gain. What's worse, the processing of these oils often involves chemicals and high heat, stripping away any nutrients and leaving behind harmful compounds. Yikes. So, what's the alternative? Consider switching to healthier fats like olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. These oils are lower in omega 6 and packed with nutrients. Remember, it's not just what you eat, but what you cook it in. Make the switch today and give your health a boost. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick health tips.